Okay, so we're out here camping, and we're gonna see if the ghost mist thing is real.
Or myth.
Mist, so we're waiting to hear any noises. So. And there's one now. Yeah. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh. Okay, there must be someone playing with this, so let's go up there and try to... What's this? Looks like a note. Says, I killed him. What was that? I don't know. Maybe we feel like leaving. I'm not real comfortable. That way.
Alright, we are camping in the woods right now, trying to figure out if this whole ghost story is a myth or if it's real.
So, yeah.
Here we go.
What is that? I don't know.
What the hell just happened? Ready?
There.
Are you videotaping or taking pictures?
That would be better. Okay, what?
Ah, my leg! It hurts! Bad! Because he tackled me! And it's a stick in my leg.
Are we still recording?
Hey, Kayla. You have to go.